Hey everyone, it's Anne. Welcome back to Keto Asian Flavors. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an Asian-style roasted turkey with white gravy. Learn how to thicken your gravy without using xanthan gum, plus tips on how to get juicy turkey breasts and crispy skin every single time. Let's get started. You will need 1 package of these Vietnamese spices. These spices are used for making pho noodle soups. On low-medium heat, toast the spices slightly in a dry skillet for a few minutes. Add in chopped onions and a few slices of ginger. Depending on the size of the turkey, thawing time is between 1 to 4 days in the refrigerator. Allow 30 minutes of thawing time for every pound of frozen turkey. It must be kept at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or colder at all times. Remove and dispose the wrapper. Reach inside the turkey and remove the neck and giblets. You can free the legs if you wish, but I kept it tied this time. Untying it will give you crispier legs. Remove any excess skin or keep as is. Since I'm removing the fish bone for easier carving, I'm going to be removing it. Locate the wishbone with your fingers and use a knife to cut along the sides to remove it. Stuff the cavity with the spices, chopped onion, and sliced ginger that was prepared earlier. Fill the cavity with a ball of aluminum foil to keep the juices from dripping out. Transfer the turkey to a clean tray or a roasting pan. Save the neck and the giblets for the gravy. You can either do a wet brine or a dry brine. Today I'm doing a dry brine with just sea salt. Normally I will do a wet brine by filling a large pot with water, chicken stock, sea salt, bay leaves, black peppercorns, star anise, cinnamon sticks, chopped onion, and ginger. For the dry brine, you will need half a teaspoon of sea salt per 1 pound of turkey. Evenly distribute the sea salt onto the skin and then refrigerate for 24 hours. In a bowl, make the spice butter mixture. Add in softened and unsalted butter, mushroom seasoning powder, and garlic powder. Mix well with the hand mixture to combine. Spread the spice butter mixture generously on top and under the skin. Be careful and wear gloves to avoid piercing the skin with your nails. Cover the wingtips with aluminum foil to avoid burning. Transfer the turkey into a roasting pan with the breast side down. Yes, you heard that right, breast side down. Add in the chicken stock, 1 to 2 onions, neck, and giblets. Bake the turkey at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours and then check the temperature. Rotate the pan a couple of times for even cooking. Patch up any darker spots with aluminum foil if needed. Turn the turkey on its side and bake until golden brown on both sides. Then broil to 10 to 20 minutes before the turkey reaches the temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the turkey from the oven when it reaches the reading of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Let rest for 30 minutes before carving. Roasting the turkey with the breast side down will keep the turkey breasts very juicy. I've been doing this for the last 10 years and there's never been a time with leftovers. Dry brining the turkey and broiling at the end result in the most delicious crispy skin. For the gravy, strain the drippings into a bowl. Add the water to a blender on low speed, add in the drippings and continue blending. Add in the mushroom powder seasoning, sea salt, and sodium alginate. Blend until the gravy is thickened. Transfer the mixture into a saucepan and turn on the heat to medium. Add in the black peppercorn, star anise, and tamari. Bring the gravy to a boil. If you have time to slowly simmer the gravy, add in the neck and giblets too. Strain the gravy through a sieve and discard the star anise and black peppercorns. If you start making keto gravy with sodium alginate, you will never use xanthan gum to thicken your gravies again. To carve the turkey, I watched a video on Tasty's channel for some guidance. I will include a link to the video for detailed instructions. To separate the legs from the breast, just cut along where the legs meet the breast. Use your hands if you need to help separate it further. Then remove the wings from the shoulders. To cut off the breast, cut down the middle where the breastbone is. Then turn it on one side and cut horizontally. Slice the breasts against the grain and separate the drumsticks from the thighs. Slice the thighs as well and you are done. It's that easy. Thanks for watching everyone! Please subscribe to Keto Asian Flavors for authentic, fusion, and innovative Keto Asian recipes. See you next time!